Welcome to this new video. Today we are going to show you how to assess your Microsoft 365 environment before deploying Microsoft Copilot. We'll walk you through the full process: setting up the connector, running the AI Readiness scan, analyzing the results, and remediating the issues found. First, we need to connect the platform to your Microsoft 365 tenant. Log into the platform and navigate to Organizations. Click on Add Organization. Select an industry. This is used for benchmarking purposes. Click on Continue to Authentication. Let's pause for a moment on this screen. It describes all the permissions that will be granted when you deploy the Entra ID application. A large number of permissions are required because the application collects a wide range of tenant settings. If you want to understand exactly what each permission does and why it's needed, you can visit our Help Center. You'll find the detailed permissions article at the bottom of the page. Let's go back to the application. Click on Sign In with Microsoft and accept the application. Then repeat the process for the two other applications. These three applications are identical. They run in parallel to maximize throughput and reduce throttling. Once that's done, let's launch the scan. Keep the default options and click on Check Prerequisites. This will verify that all prerequisites are in place. In this demo, the scan detects that there are no E5 licenses in the tenant, so some DLP settings will not be scanned. Now launch the scan. It starts automatically and begins with a discovery phase. You can monitor the progress through the logs and see which jobs are running, scheduled, or completed. Let's wait for the scan to finish. Go back to Organizations and click on the tenant you just scanned. Here you'll find your CAF score. CAF stands for Cloud Assessment Framework. It's Microsoft's methodology built on 45 pillars covering governance, data security, compliance, and infrastructure. You'll also see a risk score, in this case, 83. The higher the score, the greater the risk. Below that, you'll find a summary of the objects identified and the list of risks detected. These two sections are detailed further in the Cartography and Remediations tabs. In Cartography, you'll find the dashboard showing all discovered objects and data exposure. In Remediations, you'll find the details of each identified risk. For every risk, you'll see a description of the risk, the recommended actions, and the technical details of what was scanned. You'll also find the list of affected items, which you can download along with a sample remediation script. These scripts are provided as examples for documentation purposes only. It's up to you to adapt them to your needs and execute them. This interface also allows you to manage each risk, start treatment, mark as resolved, reopen, or ignore. Risk Catalog. The risk catalog lists all the risks that the product can identify. For each risk, it explains the reason, the recommended actions, and how the risk is detected. The catalog is available in multiple languages. Reports. Once the scan is completed, navigate to Reports and generate your executive summary, technical scan, and risk export. Note that the reports are branded with your own settings, which you can configure under Settings. Let's have a look at the report. The executive summary includes a 4-week remediation plan where you would fix the high-priority issues during the first 2 weeks. The risk assessment report is an export of all the risks identified, also visible under Remediations. You can export it in the language of your choice. Now, let's have a quick look at the Copilot tab. Here you'll get a report on Copilot adoption and consumption across your tenant. That's it. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos to learn more about AI readiness and other security best practices.